things you should do immediately you buy that car so that you won't end up blaming your mechanic or yourself or your car dealer. The first one, service your car engine immediately you buy it, unless you probably bought the car from a very faithful car dealer that has done the servicing before you bought it. Or if not, go and service that car engine immediately, even before you go home. Is the most important thing I feel you should always do. The second one, all those your car documents, your custom duty, your car particulars, make a photocopy and keep the original copy at home. Let the photocopy be in the car so that in case of theft or any issues, even if you lose the vehicle, you have the photocopy of the particulars and the information of the car at home. The third one, see, I don't care how cheap your car is. So far you spent millions to buy that car. It is important to you. Get a car tracker. Yes, a car tracker. I don't know why people are so ignorant of this, but get a car tracker. Even if you are robbed at gunpoint or your car was stolen from anywhere, so far you have a car tracker. Before those thieves can have time to trace where that car tracker is and disconnect it, you will still be able to track your car to a reasonable location. In most cases, you will know where your cars are. Because there are some car trackers that you don't necessarily have to turn the engine off immediately. You just leave the tracker on, get police, get the necessary people, then you track your car immediately. Get your car tracker, no matter how small the car is. Because if you lose that car, you go cry. Another one is your car change of ownership. Many people just buy cars, probably in a Nigerian used car, and once they leave the the dealer's stand, they collect particulars. They don't even know that they're supposed to get change of ownership agreements, court affidavit, and police extracts. Even if your car particulars are complete, like particulars are complete, and you don't have all those police extracts, change of ownership, court affidavit, the police will still give you issue. My friend, problem. Oh, they like her, like you're not going to enjoy yourself. Because all those things now less, now small money. Do you understand? So please get it done for Nigerian used cars, not for foreign used, though. Nigerian used. Another one is the driver's license. See, it's always very funny to me when I see people driving cars of millions. Police will stop you. Now license will be a problem. How much is car license? You took millions of naira to buy a car and start driving, and you cannot afford to get your driver's license because you know how to drive, or you cannot afford to renew it. It doesn't make sense to me. Even as a car dealer, I use a customized plate number, but I always have my license. Control need to more. I come and disturb you for like something don't even make sense. We don't even necessarily people to disturb you. You a carry car of millions. So just get your driver's license. It's not expensive. It's very cheap. Just get it and have peace of mind. Especially as a young guy. So the last on my list is you getting all this, your fire extinguisher, your caution sign, your extra tire, your jack, your wheel spanner. As a car owner, you should have these things in your car. Don't you when you get stranded before you get all these things. Like once you are buying a car, you are buying a car of 10 million naira, add extra 150, 100k to do all these things. Because it is necessary when it comes to car. But many people don't know or they're just ignorant of it. But please get it. Ma pay, yeah, it will pay you. But many people that have been buying cars, I feel they don't even know. So please get it done. Don't forget, I said clean, reliable, and affordable cars. If you need any of them, just let me know in my DM. Bye for now.